Hey guys, what's up? So if you're coming from a red or Blackmagic camera and then you move to something like a Sony Alpha camera like this 6500 right here, it can get a bit frustrating with the menu system. A lot of the settings you need are drowning in a sea of crap and it's just hard to find things that you need. There appears not to be any quick ways from changing from one lot of settings to another, say going from 4K video at 24 or 25 frames per second to 1080p video at 100 frames per second, let's say. But there is a quick way to do it, and I'm going to show you how to do it with the custom mode 1 and 2 dial buttons right here. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so we're just going to set two lots of settings and then save them under 1 and 2. Okay, so let's go into a menu, put whatever settings you want. Like for example, I've just put 4K, 25 frames per second. My shutter speed I've put as 1/50. So I'm just going to go back into menu. So depending on your camera model, it might be in a different place, but for me, it's in the first camera tab, 4th page. So you'll see that 1/2 memory. Go into that, you'll see your current settings, so 1/50, 25 frames per second, all that BS, ISO, whatever you want to set. Then you're basically just going to press the middle button right here, so accept those, and then that'll be saved to your first custom button right there. Then you're basically going to do the same thing. Sorry about the shine, folks. You're gonna go set the same thing for your second lot of settings. So you want to go whatever. I'm gonna put HD, and I've put 100 frames per second. I'm also gonna put my shutter speed to be double my frame rate, and then go back into menu. Go back to where you've got your memory stuff. Go over to your second one right there and press the middle button, and that will save that to your second button. So now I'm gonna go to 1, got 1/50 my shutter speed, my frame rate, and I've got 4K. I'll go over to my second one, got shutter speed 200 frames per second, and I've got 1080p. That's it guys, so you can just swap between that and you're good to go. So yeah guys, if you found this video useful at all, please like the video and leave a comment. If you're feeling enthusiastic, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get notified of future videos. And yeah, till the next one, see you guys.